good kai that our people want to eat.
Oh my days, look at that. Oh, thank you.
This is kamu.
Beautiful.
It's really yummy.
I'm Kia Kinuda, and I've always been passionate about kai. When I was a kid, I spent heaps of time with my grandparents. My nan had a wicked mara, and she was always in the kitchen, baking, making jams, chutneys, always feeding people. That's really where my love of food began. As a teenager, life changed pretty quickly. I lost both my parents, dropped out of school, and ended up washing dishes at the Avondale RSA. But that little kitchen turned out to be a stepping stone. Before long, I realized I'd found my place and became a chef. The kitchen gave me something I needed: healing, connection, and purpose. Like a lot of us, I'm still on my own haringa, working out what it means to be Māori to me. People see the mātauranga and think they've got me figured out. Truth is, ka horio e tino matatau I roto I te reo. For now, food is my love language. And now, I want to share that with you. Incredible local ingredients, traditional Māori dishes, and my own take on how we bring those flavours to life today. This is Kia Eats the World. In this episode, I'm off to Paurima, an amazing marakai here in Tamaki Makaurau, to meet one of their kaitiaki. I'm hoping to pick up some of the kai they're growing. Then I'm off to see a good mate to throw down some dishes using those ingredients.
Welcome to Paurima, no mai haere mai, ki te marakai o Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. This is our marakai. We've been going now for approximately 7 years. It's in a circle shape to encompass mea Māori like the wairua of Papatūānuku. We're organically certified through He Waka Kaiora. So those things around Māori, wairua, the whakapapa of our kai are all the things that we practice when we work here.
That's beautiful. Well, I'm actually looking for some taonga tuku iho, some kai that I can cook with a friend of mine to bring some of the ancestral knowledge, a bit of the original kai that our tupuna ate, and kind of shine a light on that. I'm hoping you've got some cool things to show me.
Definitely. We've also got a collection of tūturu kumara. So a lot of the kumara we buy in the shop are not what our tupuna would have eaten. So we've been fortunate enough to gather a collection of beautiful old kumara. You might find some of these white-looking kumara. There's a couple there. We revert back to the traditional method of using the bracken and the manuka leaves, which have, the bracken has a spore in it, which helps preserve the kumara. And of course the pioria don't like to go in there, and the rats, they don't like going amongst it.
It just proves how genius our tupuna were.
Oh, absolutely. How genius they were. So these are another old kumara known as rekarawa.
Oh my days, look at that.
Look. You try those, they're a beautiful kumara. Yellowish when you cook them, they've got a yellowy flesh. Some areas known it as tuka tuka gold.
And this all came from the one plant? All of these ones?
All those ones, yeah.
Hey.
But they're all different varieties, different shapes, yeah. I'll get this one out for us, eh?
Woo! Very different to the one I'm holding.
There you go. And when you eat it, it's a bit like pumpkin, that one.
That's a role model example.
Yeah. Yeah, now this will be an interesting kumara if it is the right one. If you look at this.
Way, beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, and when you cook it, it goes all purple.
Oh, different again.
Different again. Rau manawa, that one.
Rau manawa.
Yeah.
I love puha.
Oh, yeah.
Heart medicine.
Heart medicine. Good kai. And it's the kai I've realised that our people here want to eat. This particular variety here, and I've got some in the seedling tray over there, is the native puha. It's the puha our old people would have eaten. This puha, the one you and I are accustomed to eating, would have come from Europe. This one is nearly extinct.
Oh, wow.
It's very lucky to get some seeds, but I'm about to plant some of that, yeah?
Beautiful.
Yeah, goal is to have this whole garden covered in puha soon. It doesn't like that direct sun, eh? And that's why you find it growing under other plants and cover it right over. There's one other plant from our Māori menu that I can give you. And as you probably know, our old people love eating them young. Looks like it's ready to pick. So you just twist it like that, twist it, and out it comes.
Beautiful.
On the end of the vine is the whenua, the tip of the vine. So you can pick that, and you can steam that, put it in with your kamu.
You can eat this raw as well, yeah?
I suppose you could eat it raw, yeah.
Give it a go.
There's the flour, which you could probably also eat.
Good, tastes like bean sprouts.
There you go. Yum.
Mung beans.
There's a flour. You probably know how to cook those.
I know how to
Probably
cook
don't know
these.
those. There you go.
Pōde was a role model example of what a marakai should look like. I've been very privy in my career to a lot of beautiful ingredients, but harvesting them is different. Beautiful, blown away. Tino o tahua.
With produce from the Māori, I'm heading out west to catch up with my mate and fellow chef, Lucas.
What do we got here?
This is the spot. This is where I come foraging. We've got a bit of ure. We've got kōkahi.
At least you go and forage for it yourself. You're not seeing it on the menu, so
I wouldn't know where to buy it from ever.
yeah, exactly.
Wild
Exactly.
only. They're all salty, green, fresh.
I actually really love the horokaka. It's real like, because it's a succulent, it's super juicy.
Get in there.
Lead the way. Oh, here's used my knife, G.
Magic tricks.
A couple magic tricks, yeah, G. Yeah, G.
Here's something I prepared earlier. Uri.
Ude.
In Europe, they call it sea asparagus, and you got to break it open, and there's like this hard stem down the middle of it. It's a painstaking job as chefs to get the bottom. You got to get it at a special point. But the traditional way, you just blanch it lightly and eat it. Uri. Yeah, it's a beautiful plant.
This looks like the kōkihi here. Looks beautiful, look at that.
Yeah.
That's gonna look lovely on the plate.
Okay,
You don't need
crunchy.
too much, eh? Couple of tips. Yeah, it's a lovely texture. It's almost like celery, eh? And what do you do to wash this, bro?
When I've climbed up the side of a rock like this, there's no dogs, there's no sprays. If it's not sandy, I'll just cook it and eat it.
Like, look at that, bro. All right, bro, I reckon that's enough.
Yeah.
And a stone's throw away from Lion Rock, we're back at the Bros restaurant, Aryeh.
Brother, I've brought you some beautiful ingredients, some lovely kumara and kamo from Paurewa. Spent the lovely morning in the garden. I'm getting these bad boys over in Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, the marakai. This one here is the toka gold. It's the preferred kumara among kumara growers. This one is the rekarawa. This is the one that I think is going to be really sweet and lovely for us to play with today. I've known you for a long time now. A lot of your ethos around kai is something I've always aligned with, bro. You don't use glad wrap and single-use plastics. You don't use seed oils. More of a traditional standpoint, and I think it's more aligned with how our ancestors would have cooked. What's a bit about your whakapapa, bro?
We arrived in 1840, a little bit in the far north, some strayed down south, but a majority, Central Auckland, Grafton, Mount Albert, Grey Lynn.
Cool.
The only other place my bones feel rested is Sicily.
Oh, yo.
Yeah, because on my mother's side, she's first generation Italian.
I've been thinking about some of the things we can do with these ingredients. These are actually kamo flowers, bro.
Whoa.
I was thinking about maybe stuffing them. I haven't seen that before, so I think that could be really exciting.
I've never even seen these before. No. So, the boys went diving yesterday and I got a little treat for you.
Oh, yeah, let's see it. Oh, yeah! Yeah, we're on.
Yeah,
Wow. Fat, eh?
beauty.
It looks like we got our mains with this Puhutakawa Classic. Yeah, I've dehydrated that and I'm thinking about making a syrup or some kind of caramel with that. I was hoping you'd have one of your signature ice creams.
I grew up in Grey Lynn and something I always loved was that they put brown sugar on everything.
Yeah,
know-
yeah, bro. Hard up.
Brown sugar on the steamed pudding, brown sugar on the porridge. You know, everyone used to have grapefruit trees in the backyard.
Yeah,
The grapefruit
yeah.
cut in half, just dumped in brown sugar. In light of that, I decided to make a brown sugar ice cream.
Oh, mean. Bro, that sounds like a mean menu. It's us. Shop, bro. Thinking about plating, like we've got a couple plate options here. If I reckon splitting the tail, having it like that, having the meat side out, kind of puree the kumara sauce over the top. You draw a circle, yep.
That's an oval. Old school, like inside a ring. Poke it in so it stays round. Wrap it up and keep it like a little dumpling.
I like that. Shards and like textures and stuff over the top. It's the fish scales.
Do you remember back in the day cooking, you used to have garnishes you couldn't eat?
Oh, like bark next to the plates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the worst one? Angelica.
I love how far foods come, how far foods evolve. You know, I just want to get a good close-up on these leaves if we can. This is a part of our ancestral diet. This is something that our tupuna knew to eat. And our kaimoana, they are taonga, but it's also the knowledge in gathering them. It's the why behind we cook, right? Like, Papa Tunuku's done all the hard mahi.
Yeah.
In being overprotective, we've seen recipes die. We've seen techniques die. It's up to us to make sure that our kids know how to go foraging.
Like when you came and said, oh, you know, you've got to cure the kumara. I didn't know that. That korero needs to happen with our younger generations.
One of the things that we do as chefs, you know, is that we try and convey these taonga that are precious to us, and we do something with it in a way that isn't so far removed from what the ingredient is. The heritage, the whakapapa is not removed from the dish.
There's a lot of ways of thinking, especially with Italians, is that the food you're touching and the moment you're in and the mood you're in is being transplanted into the food.
Yeah, kia ora.
And I know you've probably experienced this, I've experienced this when people cry over your food.
Yeah, bro.
And they come up and they're like, I don't know why, but I'm crying over this food. And then it started clicking to me like, oh, people are eating my emotions.
Yeah, you're sharing that, bro.
Yeah, and not even the proper emotion for that dish, just the emotion I was feeling while I was prepping that dish.
Yeah.
And I think that's why your kai has so much mana to it, because you've got so much, not only positivity and love for your food, you've got struggle and hardship in there.
Kia ora, my bro,
And
for sure.
And we feel that.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
And I think what I'm able to do with my kai now is I'm not that person anymore. I'm not hurting. And I can put true aroha into my kai and think about every level. Every level is thought about. It's less about how we do these ingredients. You can put anything in the hangi and you can season things with this and that, but the whakaaro Māori needs to remain above it all. You got to understand the beauty of the kumara because you understand the beauty of the soil that it comes from. I'm going to actually chop a little bit of crayfish into it.
They're the nuggets you found in the
These
tail.
are the tail, bro. I've never seen a tail nugget come out like
tail
that
nugget
fat
either.
before. That's so cool, eh?
The world's most expensive nugget.
World's most expensive nugget right there.
Is that the peppercorn?
That's the pink peppercorns, bro. And the chopped watercress. Just because of time, I might just run outside and get some kawakawa real quick. One more for good luck, eh? You know, and having it sit on its side like that is like a nod to Lion Rock.
It's coming together. Got like a nice matte purpley green. Look at that colour.
Yeah,
It's
it
got that
does.
saltiness to it. That's nice.
Yeah. Oh, what's this one, bro?
That's Taranaki quinoa wafer. Nice nutty flavour to it.
Yeah, it does.
But then it's offset with the pepperiness of the kawakawa. Everyone loves crunchy.
Have you got some pickle gel, chef?
Yeah, well, I got heaps. What flavour?
Oh, have you got two different colours?
I got everything your mind could ever imagine. This one's actually made from a gamma noir, but oh well. Good. They'll all be strong as.
That one's me. Just a couple of dots, chef.
Where's the mixed herb oil gone, boys? I got fig leaf oil that tastes like coconut.
I'll take fig leaf. Yeah, look
It's a
at that.
darker green.
So something like that, yeah?
Yeah. Because then it sticks to it.
me.
You know? Yeah.
Beautiful.
Picture perfect.
I only want to use the tiniest bit. Lift up any extra.
I remember getting yelled at because I didn't have my 37 components on the plate in 3 minutes. And then the Nords came along and were like, here's a splash and chuck a meat on there. And oh yeah, you can get down with that.
This is me trying to plate a dish in your style.
Yeah, I think that's looking mean, bro. Yeah.
That's quite cool, eh?
And a third one in there?
Yeah, I think so. What do you reckon? Is that taking too much away?
The 3 is nice.
Yeah, the 3 is nice.
Three's
I
a
do like
crowd.
odd numbers, and then we'll crowd this.
Putting that one there. Offset it.
That's crazy, bro.
That's us?
That's us.
Do you reckon that's us? Did you want these backwards or forwards?
With height, please, chef. Oh, look with a crooked, bro. I couldn't even do a straight dot, Sergi. You know what you need to do? Play some classical music as I plate this.
Oh, it's kind of losing its allure, its luster.
This is the pūhutakawa in raspberry syrup.
Oh, soft as.
Beautiful, chef.
Look at that.
Lovely. Just like that. I love the simplicity of it, you know. There's a lot of people that have eaten a lot of really expensive food around the world, and I wanted to kind of pull into the experience of eating it straight out of a can.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. My bro, tēnei te mihi ki a koe, mō tō mahi, he puku mahi koe. I'm very, very thankful for your time today, my bro, and showing me some of the spots where you like to go and forage. I'm excited to try this. Man, that's good. Damn. You feel the kawa on the back of the palate.
Yeah, right there. A little kick.
Bro, this is what I'm most excited for.
Yeah.
Cheers, my bro.
Cheers, my bro. It's nutty, it's sweet, it's acidic, it's fresh.
You know, we chopped up the mussels, so it's not bubblegum, we're not, you know, man, only one chance of that one.
Yeah.
Hope you got the shot. I'm excited about this one. Koura, kumara, and porokaka.
That nice middle piece.
The caramelization you got on the kumara, that sweetness, that butteriness really, you know, everyone knows crayfish and butter goes together so well. Kumara and butter goes together so well.
It's like the Holy Trinity.
Beautiful. Cheers, G.
Oh yeah, you hear the steam coming out.
Yeah, bro. Oh, wait. Just like Mum used to make. Thank you, bro, for your time,
Kia ora.
your knowledge.
Thank you, my bro.
Shot, bro.
Love you, bro.
Love you too, my bro. Thank you. It adds another element of aroha to the dish when you know exactly where it's come from. Generational knowledge that's been passed down through iwi hapu whānau. That's our kai, and it's how we conduct ourselves in the mara. That was her kōrero that really got to me. These ideas that I've had, I need another trained chef to help bring those to life. Lucas is a master as well. I'll be honest, the dish that really stood out to me was the puti puti kamo kamo. You won't see a dish like that again, so I'm super proud of that one. You never stop learning with cooking.